This tip is especially for our friends in the United States. If you want to read free ebooks or listen to free audiobooks, but you're more interested in the latest bestsellers and don't want to wait for decades until the authors are dead and their books became public domain, become a member of your local library. Public libraries not only lend paper books and CDs, they also lend ebooks and audiobooks, and many libraries already have an integration with Amazon and your Kindle. Kindle books are available at more than 11,000 libraries in the US. In the United States, the platform that many libraries use is overdrive.com. If you are from another country, check out with your local library. They might use a local service for the same purpose. For example, in Germany, we have a similar service called Onleihe. Here's what you need to lend ebooks from your public library. First, an active public library card and a library password, your PIN. This is the same password that you use to log into your library account. Second, your Amazon account with your email address and your password. Third, a Kindle eReader like your Paperwhite or an Oasis or another one. Fourth, a computer, laptop or other device with internet access on which to find and borrow Kindle ebooks. Not sure whether your local library offers ebook lending? Then just go to overdrive.com, find a library, and search for your city or zip code. Let's use Austin, Texas as an example. Choose the library in your district. Then log in . Search the catalog for book you like. There click Borrow this title. You will be forwarded to the Amazon website and then use the drop-down menu to select your checkout period and tap Borrow. Next to the book, choose Read Now with Kindle. Amazon will load in a new tab or device. Find Get Library Book on the right. If you're already signed in, confirm the device to which you want the book delivered with the drop-down menu and then click Get Library Book. If you're not signed in, click Get Library Book and sign in to your Amazon account. Your Kindle book will be delivered the next time your device syncs, and you've just borrowed your first book from your library.